Hey, where you going? I gotta keep you on the leash because there's a grizzly bear outside somewhere. So he would definitely like take you for like a snack. Hey, little shorty, because like, you know, even though you're like a thick little Frenchie, the little grizzly bear will chew you up, chew you down, and spit you out. Won't be funny, man. So today you get the leash treatment. You can't even run away from me, buddy. How about that? How about that? Hey, there's a big grizzly. Not here. Not here. There's a grizzly. Damn, girl. What the hell? This is what you're gonna make me clean up? Oh my God. This is painful. This is troublesome. You did this? Hey. Whoa. Hey. Let's not be curious. We don't got time for that. So you're gonna end up sick.